Far inside the Arctic Circle, on a remote island covered with ice and snow, there is a place built to protect the future of humanity. This island is called Svalbard, located between Norway and the North Pole. The environment here is harsh, cold, and isolated, making it one of the safest places on Earth. But deep inside one frozen mountain, behind thick steel doors and long tunnels carved into solid rock, lies a vault that may one day decide whether humanity survives or not. This is not a military base. It is not a bunker for rich people. It is something far more important. It is the Global Seed Vault. For thousands of years, human civilization has depended on plants. Every piece of food we eat comes from seeds. Rice, wheat, corn, vegetables, fruits, all of them exist because farmers saved seeds generation after generation. But today, the world faces dangers never seen before. Climate change is destroying crops. Wars can wipe out entire regions. New diseases can kill plants in a single season. Natural disasters can destroy food supplies overnight. Scientists realized something terrifying. If we lose our crops, we lose our ability to survive. So the world decided to create a backup plan. A place where the seeds of the entire planet could be stored safely. In 2008, deep inside a mountain in Svalbard, scientists built the most secure seed storage facility ever created. The vault was designed to survive earthquakes, nuclear war, climate disasters, and even the collapse of civilization. The tunnel goes more than 100 meters inside solid rock. Inside are special chambers kept at extremely low temperatures. Even if electricity fails, the natural Arctic cold will keep the seeds frozen for hundreds of years. Today, the vault stores seeds from almost every country on Earth. Millions of crop varieties. Millions of chances for humanity to start again. Because if the world ever loses its food, this vault may be the only hope left. Inside the frozen mountain, behind multiple security doors, lies one of the most valuable collections on Earth. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault stores seeds from almost every country in the world. These are not ordinary seeds. They include ancient crop varieties, rare plants, and species that no longer grow in many parts of the planet. Each seed represents food, survival, and history. Scientists collect seeds from seed banks around the world and send duplicates to Svalbard. This means the vault does not replace other seed banks. It protects them. If any country loses its crops, the seeds stored here can help restore them. Today, the vault contains more than 1 million seed samples. Each one is a backup of life itself. The vault was built to survive disasters that could destroy civilization. The entrance is far above sea level, so even if ice melts, the vault will stay dry. The walls are made of thick concrete and solid rock. The doors are built to resist explosions and extreme temperatures. Inside, the storage rooms are kept at -18 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, seeds can survive for hundreds of years. Even if power is lost, the natural permafrost of the Arctic will keep the vault cold. This means the seeds will stay safe even if the world outside collapses. Few places on Earth are built to last this long. This vault was designed for the worst possible future. Many people think the Doomsday Vault is only for the end of the world. But the truth is, it has already been used. In 2015, war in Syria destroyed a major seed bank in the city of Aleppo. Scientists feared that thousands of crop varieties were lost forever. But duplicates of those seeds had been stored in Svalbard. For the first time in history, seeds were taken out of the vault and returned to scientists. Thanks to the vault, the lost crops were restored. This proved something important. The seed vault is not just for the future. It is already protecting the world today. Thousands of years ago, humans grew many different types of crops. There were thousands of varieties of rice, wheat, potatoes, beans, and corn. Each one adapted to different climates and conditions. But modern farming changed everything. Today, most of the world depends on only a few crop varieties. These crops grow faster and produce more food, but they are also more fragile. If a disease attacks one type of crop, millions of farms can fail at the same time. Scientists call this loss of diversity one of the biggest dangers to human survival. Because when diversity disappears, food security becomes weak. The seed vault exists to protect this lost diversity. So the future will still have choices. The world today faces risks that could damage agriculture on a global scale. Climate change is causing extreme heat, floods, and droughts. Some plants can no longer grow where they used to. New plant diseases are spreading faster than ever before. Insects that once lived in warm regions are moving into colder countries. Wars and political conflicts can destroy farms and seed banks. Even a single nuclear war could block sunlight and stop crops from growing. Scientists call this scenario a global food collapse. Without seeds, recovery would be impossible. That is why the vault was built far away from cities, wars, and disasters. Hidden in the Arctic, where it can survive almost anything. The Global Seed Vault is often called the backup drive of humanity. Just like a computer stores copies of important files, the vault stores copies of life. If the world loses its crops, scientists can return to the vault. They can take the seeds, plant them again, and rebuild agriculture. This means the vault protects more than food. It protects culture, history, and the future of civilization. Every country that sends seeds to the vault is preparing for a disaster they hope never comes. But history has shown that disasters always happen. And when they do, survival depends on preparation. The frozen mountain in Svalbard is that preparation. The seeds stored inside the vault are kept in special sealed packages, protected from air, moisture, and light. At -18 degrees Celsius, most seeds can survive for hundreds of years. Some crops, like wheat and rice, may last for centuries. Others, like beans, may survive even longer. Scientists carefully test seeds before storing them, making sure they are healthy and ready for long-term preservation. The goal is simple but powerful. No matter what happens to the world, the ability to grow food must never disappear. As long as the seeds survive, humanity has a chance to survive. That is why the vault is maintained with extreme care. Because these small seeds hold the future of the planet. The seed vault is often called the Doomsday Vault, but its purpose is not fear. It is hope. Countries from all over the world send seeds to Svalbard, even countries that disagree politically. Inside the vault, there are no borders, no wars, and no conflicts. Only the shared understanding that all humans depend on the same earth. The vault represents cooperation between nations. It shows that humanity can work together to protect the future. Even in a world full of problems, the seed vault proves something important. We are capable of planning for tomorrow. Even when tomorrow is uncertain. Deep inside the frozen mountain, the vault waits silently. Most people will never see it. Most people will never need it. And that is exactly the hope. The seed vault was built for a future no one wants to face. A future where crops fail, food disappears, and civilization struggles to survive. But if that day ever comes, the doors in the Arctic will open. Inside will be the seeds of the past, ready to grow again. Ready to rebuild farms. Ready to feed the world. Hidden in ice, far from cities and wars, lies humanity's last backup plan. The Doomsday Seed Vault. And as long as it exists, humanity is not without hope.
Subscribe Info Beyond Borders now for more mind-blowing knowledge.